Alright, hang on. Keep your eyes closed. I'm right here. Alright, so Mommy and Daddy have a surprise for you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, stop. And it was something that we found out this morning. Okay, so it's a super surprise for Mommy and Daddy too. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You can open your eyes.
What?
What does it say?
Bros and brother.
Will that fit you?
No.
Who will it fit?
Are you having a baby? Oh my goodness!
So guess what we're having? Come over here and see him, not me. What are we having?
A brother.
You're having a little brother. Are you excited?
Oh yes!
You happy, buddy?
You're gonna be a big brother. I'm so happy. Are you? Are you crying?
Yes.
We didn't find out till this morning, so we didn't know.
When's he gonna come?
August.